discriminations in our primary education sector. In agriculture sector, a sub-assistant agriculture. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Today is 5th October 2024, the World Teachers' Day. On this day, my salam and salutations to the teachers of all over the world. I am Muhammad Mubarak Sardar, one of the primary school teachers of Lohojong, Munshiganj. On this day, I would like to draw the kind attention of our Honorable Chief Advisor and the Honorable Advisor and the Secretary of the Ministry of Primary and Mass Education that please pay heed to our legal and logical demand of getting 10th grade. Now, most of the primary school teachers are honors and master's degree holders and highly qualified. So, there is no chance to debase the primary teachers. There is no chance to underestimate the primary teachers now. It's time to respect the primary teachers. It's time to upgrade the primary teachers. It's time to accept our legal and logical demand of getting 10th grade. There are so many discriminations in our primary education sector. In agriculture sector, a sub-assistant agriculture officer gets 10th grade, just completing a diploma course after the SSC. In health sector, a nurse gets 10th grade, completing a diploma course after the SSC. But it's a matter of sorrow that in spite of completing honors and master's degree from renowned universities, our primary school teachers is in 13th grade. How disreputable it is. So I think the primary teachers are the basement makers of the country. If the basement is strong, the nation will be strong. In many countries, the primary teachers are highly respected, highly salaried. But in our country, our primary school teachers gets only 18,000 taka. But in Maldives, a primary teacher at the beginning, he or she gets 63,000 taka. In India, a primary school teacher gets 35,000 taka. So the salary that we are being paid is very insufficient to run the family. So if we are in hunger, if we are in dissatisfaction, how will we devote ourselves in teaching? So it's our humble request. It's our demand. It's not only a demand but also a legal right to have 10th grade. So from this program, I would like to draw the attention of our Honorable Chief Advisor, Professor Dr. Muhammad Yunus, and the Honorable Education Advisor, Professor Dr. Wahiduddin Mahmood, and the Honorable Advisor of the Ministry of Primary and Mass Education, Professor Dr. Bidhan Ranjan Poddar. All of you basically are teachers. So we hope and believe that you will be able to fulfill our desire. You will be able to fulfill our legal demand. So from this program, I would like to request, please accept our legal and logical demand of getting 10th grade. Not anymore now. Happy Teachers Day. Thanks all of you. Thank you very much.